Hello and welcome to another episode of RaviSinghBlog.in, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to discuss about the GoSchedule, a wonderful and an excellent tool to schedule and execute your social media post. And when I talk about social media post, it can be your blog post, it can be anything which you want to share on your social media. For example, a news, for example, a new blog post, your older blog post which you want to share it again and again. So it can be anything. It can be a video, it can be a picture. So you can schedule and run your social media post through this excellent calendar looking tool. So I'm going to get it reviewed, and I tried it first time and it really surprised me. It is an excellent tool for every blogger. So once you install CoScheduler on your WordPress, it comes as a plugin for your WordPress blog. So you can directly install it through your plugin option. You can go to add new and you can search CoSchedule. So once it installed, it will look like this in your plugin. And also on the left hand side you can see an option called calendar. Once you click on this calendar and go to your calendar setting, you can see the a very much similar Outlook kind of tool in which you can see your monthly date, and you can schedule and execute your social media content here. For example, I'm going to show you one of the example what are the different options we have. So let's take example. I will go on any date and click on this icon which will let me add a new content to any date. I have three options here. I can share a blog post. I can create a new blog post here. For example, I will create a new blog post which I'm going to write about. So okay, how to promote a blog post. So I have created a new idea or a new post. I will click on continue, and it will create a draft version of this post. You can select a category here, and also you can assign author. If you have more than one person in your blog, you can assign different person to this post. Now after doing this, you can see here we have a timeline. So you can schedule a post here when you want to execute or when you want to publish this post, like for example same day, a day after publish, or a week after publish. You can just click on this plus menu, and you can select what are the social media you want to include here. What is the link will be automatically included, the title and the link, and you can see a preview also here. And then you can select like when you want to publish it. You can schedule, you can give the exact timing. There are various options here. You can just select day after post, what you want to have, and what time you want to publish. You can select the time, what time you want to give. So it gives you a lot of flexibility when you want to post your content. And by using this tool you are sure, like you know what to do when you want to publish your post and all. After doing this, let me go to the post. I just cancel it. I go to any of the older post. I would like to show you how it looks when you try to open an older post, and you can see the calendar option right under the post. So this is one of the posts which I have not published, and you can see a co-scheduler option is right below every post. You can see here the same option we have seen in calendar can also be seen here. You can schedule here what time you want to publish the post, what are the things you want to include, your image, any text you want to include. And then you have option like day after publish. I mean the next day what you want to do, you want to just reshare that again and again. So this tool will give you an excellent way to share the content. Now let's see some of the other features of this. You also have an option, as I told you, the content. So the content is, it can be anything. It can be a picture, it can be a video. So once you select the content option, you have a option of type here. So you can select anything. For example, if I'll select something like a small text or something like a Google Doc or some pictures, whatever, I can select here, and then you have option of here to attach an image. I can click on the image, and I can attach the image here. So in this way you can create content for your blog post. This may not be a direct post here, but you can create different content. And if you go here, you have a different option, like you can convert this to a WordPress post. You can click this and it will let you to seamlessly convert your text into the WordPress post. This is a very interesting feature. And the next option is you can download it as a PDF, or you can download it as a HTML and you can use it in WordPress blog. So this is an excellent feature which you can use it for your blog post. Now I will just delete it. The next thing which I want to show you is how to share your older post. This is very important. So for example, if you want to share an older post, you can go to the social message. Here you have an option of share old post. Here you can click on this. You can just find what are the posts or what are the older posts you want to share. You can select any one of them, and then you can see here there is option to date and time, what time you want to share your old post. So this is an excellent way to share the old post also. Now I will show you a way to report, or just see what are the posts which are doing good. So you can always come here, go to your setting option here, click on the top post, and you can see like report of the post which you have shared in the past. So you can see here you have a data like on Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest or Google Plus, how many times it was shared, how it is doing well. Of course in Twitter, like they already removed the feature of count, so you will not be able to see count here for Twitter. But rest of all, you can see how your post is doing. You have also an option of share post here. You can click on that and you can just share it right away, or you can just schedule it what time you want to execute this post. There are various options when you go on the left hand menu. For example, you can go to the setting and you have various options. For example, you can select a social profile. You can select various type of profile you want to add it. You have option of integration, which I will discuss in the next video. Overall, if you see this calendar from CoSchedule will give you a lot of option to choose of. It will give a flexibility to share your content when you want to share, and also it let you to track your post. So overall, I think this is a must tool for every blogger when the sharing on social media is very much important. And I will highly recommend to give it a try, see how you can use it. In the next video I will explain how CoSchedule can be integrated with the external application. Please check out that video, and do not forget to share and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much for listening.